Welcome to the session for Microsoft Word. Now, we all know that we use Microsoft Word on a daily basis. But what is Microsoft Word? And how do we navigate in Microsoft Word is something that we are going to be learning in the first session. So let's start with the introduction to Microsoft Word. So today we will be learning Introduction to Microsoft Word and starting up Microsoft Word. So we will be giving you a brief introduction to Microsoft Word, which you all have been using for over a couple of years. We will also be learning how to start Microsoft Word and also how to get few templates. Let's start. So what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a document processing application developed by Microsoft. And it is one of the most used application when it comes to document creating and editing. Now, on a daily basis, when you are drafting a report or writing an article or making few notes when you're working, writing a research paper, you will be using Microsoft Word. Why? One, because you will be able to you will be able to draft your report or article or research paper more fast. Second of all, you will be also be able to change the fonts, the styles. You will be able to edit the document, proofread the document, and you will be able to do other functions also with the document that you're creating. So how do you get Microsoft Word? Now, one, you can purchase it as an individual application. Or two, you can also purchase it as part of the Microsoft Office 365 subscription. Yes, you heard it right. So if you purchase Microsoft Office 365 subscription, you actually get Microsoft Word and other applications of Microsoft Office along with it. Well, so we will understand why is it important for all of us to know Microsoft Word. One, it is a very important skill. Now, think about it. How much are you going to take notes on a pen and paper? You will be taking notes after notes and you will be drafting the same thing and writing the same thing on your Microsoft Word, right? But then what happens if you miss out some line? Well, Microsoft Word is an application where you can draft your notes, make sure that you save them and you won't be able to lose your notes at all. Microsoft Word is a very important skill. Any reports, any articles, any books, you can create it, edit it more faster with lesser effort. Second of all, it has a very friendly interface. All the features, all the functions, all the things that you would require to create a perfect document is already available along with Microsoft Word. You do not have to worry about it. You want to put a picture, add a picture on your document, you will be able to do that. You want to add few smart arts and a flowchart on your document, you will be able to do that as well. You want to create mathematical problems like you do that in Excel and also add equations and formulas, well, you can do that on Microsoft Word as well. So Microsoft Word is a multi-purpose tool in that way. You will be able to draft your reports, create articles, write books, do a lot of assignments and assessments as well with the help of Microsoft Word. Thirdly, when it comes to proofreading, now think about it. You have drafted a long report and you have to go through each and every line to check if there is any grammatical error, if it requires any sentence correction. Also, if you misspelled any word. Now, if going through each and every line is difficult, right? Well, not to worry. Microsoft Word really helps you here. Microsoft Word has a proofreading application which sort of helps you in proofreading your whole document, and it points out and underlines all the words that are misspelled, or if there is or grammatical errors, or if the sentence needs some correction. So this is how we use Microsoft Word. Now let's take a look and take a tour of Microsoft Word. So how do we begin with Microsoft Word? We will go to the Start button, and then we go to Microsoft Word. You can either open it as part of the blank document. So this is how your blank document will look. We can also do it with the help of templates. So the best part about Microsoft Word is it comes with preloaded templates. Now think about it. You have to draft a report and have to submit it in the next couple of hours. You have really short time. To think about the design and the layout of the report will take some time, right? So you do not have to fear about it. What you can do is you can go to Microsoft Word, go to File, which is your landing page, go to More Templates. As you can see, More Templates is here. Click on to your More Templates, scroll down, and you will see different templates which are available. See, there's a report template already available here. The other way to search for more such templates is you can go to search for online templates and you can write report and you will be able to click here and search for the same. Yes, you just have to click here and you will be coming up. You will be able to see different report layouts which are there. What you can do is once you take that layout, you can add it to your document and you can customize it as per your requirements. Well, that is one of the most useful thing that you can do when you have a shorter time to submit any document. Just for the design and the layout purpose, you can always use the preloaded templates which are already available with Microsoft Word. Next, you will also see the open button. In case you're working with any existing document and you might want to go back to that existing document, please go to open and open the document that you wanted to work on. Please remember that you should save your document every time you make some changes to it so that you do not have to worry about missing out on the changes or on the things that has been or on the reviews and views that has been incorporated in your document. Next is the info. You can see the kind of property the document has. And if you, in case you want to check the version history of a previous document, or you want to protect the document, or you want to inspect the document, you can do all of this with the help of Microsoft Word info itself. Next, you have the save. As I was saying, make sure that you're saving your document on a regular basis when and after you have created some changes and have finished working on that document. Save as is whenever you are using a new document, you're creating a new document, you will be saving your document and you can also save in different formats. Yes, we will be talking about this single feature in the next sessions, but do you know you can actually save your Microsoft Word document in a PDF format or in a rich text format? Well, in this, with the help of Save As, you will be able to choose the format that you want to show your document, you want to represent your document in, and you can do the same. The next is the print feature, which will help you in printing out your document. This is the share feature. In case you want to share your document with other teammates, you will be able to do the same. You can also export the document in any other formats that you want to use. So this is how you start Microsoft Word. Now let's go back to the document. This is how when you start Microsoft Word, when you open a new document, blank document, this is what the page you will get, right? As you can see, there are the ribbon menus, which we will be talking about in the second session. We will talk about all the functions of ribbon menu there, and we will also learn what are the importance of each and every ribbon menu that are available. Now, in case you have Microsoft Office 2019 or the latest version, you will see something called the autosave. Please make sure that you're using autosave on a regular basis because, as I was saying, saving your document is very important. You should not be missing out on any changes that you have created on your document, on your existing document, right? So, hope you liked our session today.